Hi mga guys! Good morning! So, duha lang di ay minitantan diri guys kay work si mami niya and si daddy niya kay nagsakit. So, nasa karon sa may hospital. So, duha lang kami nitantan diri. Morning kayo diri guys. Hayag na kayong adlaw. Look at that. Ron, magluto ko og arroz caldo. Kay nag-request si kuya na magdala daw mi og arroz caldo dito sa hospital. Mag-add kami niya dito guys, kami duha.
I-warm natin yung water.
Sige, warm mo. Ay, warm nyo daw. Kaya mag-coffee tayo. Ay, ako lang pala. And then, all to guys. See you later. Bye-bye. We're here outside guys. Maglakaw na minitan-tan. Where are we going?
In the hospital.
Hospital. Okay. Nag-wait may og ano guys, elevator and mag-taxi lang minitan-tan nga duha kay. Wala may sakyan. Sure. Okay na, here na. Let's go. Tingin dito. Oh, my fishes. Ay, si Daddy, oh.
Watching sa ako.
Ay, kuwat lang.
Doon sa, ay, baby pa ako, nag-inject ako.
Inject kay ganito?
Oh.
Mami ko ulit na.
Where are we going, bro? Ah.
Hi
Hi
guys.
guys, we're here outside. Nagawas mi guys na nagbitan mi sa sulod. And mag-awas mi kay magpalit mi og water. Kay naubos na ang water na mo sa sulod.
Ambulance.
Yeah, may ambulance sila dyan. And then, mauli dali. There's a shop there. Oh. Come on.
Some food niya, yummy.
Food niya yummy. What do you want to eat? Ha? Ay, saan ito? Sa likod man ito, be.
Food?
Wala doon. Ayun, oh, may grocery pala dito, oh. Dito, oh, may grocery. Ayun, oh. Let's go. May water, guys. Dark na outside, guys. And Tantan is here. He's eating his dinner. Bago kami nag-abot, guys. And gutom siya. Eat siya ng... What is this, be? What is your ulam? What is this? What do you call this one?
Chicken nuggets popcorn.
Oh, wow. Is that your, Is that your new favorite, food? Oh.
Not in Paruto, only in Dubai.
Only in Dubai. And that's all for today, guys.
Bye-bye.